Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to go ahead and just jump right on into this cleaning motivation. I've got a ton of stuff to do, and to be quite honest with you, I did not want to do any of it this day. I've had a lot of stuff going on, and by the time I'm able to just like sit down and do something other than work, I just don't feel like cleaning. But I've let this go for way too long, and I needed to go ahead and get this whole house tackled. It's just a mess. It's nasty. So I wanted to go ahead and film and bring you guys along with me, just in case you needed some motivation today too, because I definitely need motivation on a daily basis. And I've got some of the best girlfriends here on YouTube that I can always count on to get me going. Of course, my girl Rosa and Carrie Lynn, and I've just got so many people that I can just, Jesse, I just love all my friends, and they just, really get me up and going. Usually if I'm at work, I'm just going to go ahead and watch them while I'm doing stuff, double tasking. Don't tell my boss. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and jump right on into this. And I also wanted to show you, I went ahead and picked up this Scrub Daddy Power Paste. Now you guys know how much I love my pink stuff, but I have been intrigued for the longest time, and you know how I love my little Scrub Daddy brushes. Not brushes, sponges. Hell. They're sponges. Anyway, I was like, nothing can beat the pink stuff, right? So this I found, it was $9.98, I think, and that's usually just the paste itself, but this one came with the Scrub Mama, and it's white, and I wanted that one for my kitchen for the sink instead of just one of the green or pink ones. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but I just thought that the white one would look, really nice there, and I was like, yes, I'm gonna get it. So dare I say that I might like this a little bit more than the pink stuff. I'm clutching my pearls as I say that, y'all. So you guys, if you've not tried it, try it out. If you have tried it, let me know what you think about it. You are supposed to be able to clean this just like with the pink stuff. You can put it on anything and it'll get anything clean. I'm going to be honest, I've only done my oven and my sinks with it in the kitchen, and I was super duper impressed. I absolutely love it. The smell is amazing. It's like a very faint lemon smell. Oh, it did so good. You're going to see here in just a second what my oven looks like. So the next thing I'm going to tackle with this, not in this video, but the next thing I'm going to use this is for the inside of my oven. Now, if you guys remember, I had a lot of company over in the last couple of weeks, and Ruben and his brother had a lot of stuff on the smoker, so they had stuff in the oven like ribs and stuff like that. So they made a hellacious mess inside my oven, and I've got to get in there and clean that, but I was not getting in there and doing that on this day. So I'm going to be doing that next. So make sure you come back and see how that works out. I'm going to let you guys know how it works in there. But I mean, come on guys, this looks amazing, and it smelled good. Very impressed. And I picked it up at Walmart, in case you're wondering, but I'm pretty positive you can buy it anywhere like Target. I've seen it at Marshall's even. So if you're interested, go grab it. Absolutely love it. And I'm just going to go ahead and put a little link in the description box where you can find it if just in case your stores don't carry it yet, or if you're not close to a store that carries it. I'm really impressed with it, and I think you guys will be too.
I guess I'm gonna stay, but I'm just gonna wait in the background, watching you talk to her. I know this might look bad, but I'm just gonna melt in the background, watching you lean into her. I'm a fool. I just wanna get close to you. Yeah, I wanna get close. I'm a fool. I know. Are you thinking about us too? 'Cause I don't know. Are you missing it just like I do?
So if you guys could not tell, that was my girl Rosa, and we were FaceTiming because we were actually getting ready to record our podcast. We usually do that on Sundays, so I really didn't have a lot of time to finish up the kitchen, but I did just kind of switch around these two spots, and it just made it feel a little bit nicer, a little bit different. So anytime I can do that, I will. You guys know I don't have a lot of space to do things like that, but just switching those things from one side to the other made it feel, a little bit different, a little bit brighter, and I really enjoyed it. But you guys might also notice that I'm in different clothes, and that is because I did not have time to finish the rest of the house on this day. Like I said, Rosa and I were getting ready to record our podcast, and we usually do that on Sundays, like I said, and we were doing 3 that day. So I went ahead and finished up the house the next day, but I kind of quickly wanted to talk about the podcast. If you guys did not know, if you're new here, Rosa and I do have a true crime podcast. It is called Crime Secrets with Mandy and Rosa. It is linked in my description box. If you enjoy true crime and if you enjoy podcasts, make sure you go check us out. We have so much stinking fun. I promise you, you're going to really enjoy it. You're going to really see a much different side of our personalities, but I just love doing it so much. It's just something different, and I think I've talked to you guys about kind of feeling like I was in a rut with YouTube sometimes, and this podcast just gives me joy, and it's something I've always wanted to do, and to be able to do it with one of my best friends is just amazing. So if you guys have not checked it out, make sure you go and check it out. I would love for you guys to let us know what you think. But I'm going to go ahead and finish on up here in the bedroom. I've got to get the sheets into the washer. I have not done my sheets in like 2 weeks. Don't come at me. I'm a busy girl, okay? Also, I want to talk about these sheets. I just got these daggone sheets not too long ago. You guys know I was so super excited about them, and I love them. So they're too big. Like, I don't understand. We're just like slip sliding all over the daggone bed, and nothing stays where it's supposed to. And I looked 3 times on the packaging. They're queen. So I don't know if it's supposed to be like for a double size mattress, like those really, really thick ones. But I don't like them. So guess who's going back out to shop for more sheets? You got it. So I went ahead and threw those in the washer for now. That way I can have clean ones. And I'm going to get this floor done. It was disgusting. I've not cleaned these since all of our company left. So they were in desperate need of a good scrub.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh. I don't ask for much. No, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh. Though I want your touch. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy. But baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. So, you are like me, wanna be free, like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh. I don't ask for much. No, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh. Though I want your touch. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy. But baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Slow it down. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy. But baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Baby,
So I hope you guys are really enjoying this motivation today, but I kind of just wanted to take another second and talk to you. I had asked you guys a handful of questions over on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do that. I have a ton of fun over there, but I wanted to kind of go over these questions and see what you guys thought, just in case you didn't see them. I asked, how long do you prefer your YouTube videos? Like, how long do you like to watch them? So my answers were either 15 minutes or less or 20 minutes or more, and 56% said 20 minutes or more. So I'm definitely going to try to keep these videos kind of in that sweet spot because I, obviously want to make content that you guys want to watch. I also asked if you prefer videos with talking or no talking, and astoundingly, you guys went 94% with talking. I don't know why. I have the worst voice ever. Like, I feel like the biggest redneck when I talk. But anyways, I love you guys and I appreciate that. My other question was, do you prefer a messy thumbnail or like a really clean cut thumbnail? And I did have a couple of you guys message me and you're like, huh? So, some thumbnails are just like big, huge, messy blocks. Like there's like 6 little windows and it's just like mess, 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 mess. And then some are just like of, people just standing there, like really pretty and things like that. And 68% of you said clean and pretty. So I'm definitely going to try to do better thumbnails to make them more eye-appealing and eye-catching for you guys to click on. And the other question was, are you guys tired of cleaning channels on YouTube? 80% of you said no, 20% obviously said yes. And it's so funny because a couple of my friends here on YouTube that have cleaning channels, they messaged me. They're like, I have a cleaning channel. And I said yes, because we're kind of tired of doing it. I think we are just kind of all in that, that rut. We're just kind of feeling, I don't know how we're feeling. I don't know how to explain it. It's just, I don't know. We feel stuck. But anyway, I was asking you guys kind of like what else you guys would want to see. And people just said, decluttering, organization, grocery hauls, extreme spring cleaning, decluttering and organizing projects. And that's a lot of stuff that I like to do too. But I think I've talked to you guys about this. And if I do anything kind of out of the realm of cleaning on this channel, YouTube's not going to push it because they're going to be like, well, we don't know what you're getting ready to do next, so we don't know how to target your audience, so we're not going to push it. And if you guys don't have a channel, obviously you're not going to know that. So you kind of have to be, aware of what you're doing and aware of how you title things. Like I could throw a grocery haul into one of these cleaning videos, but I couldn't put it in the title. Does that make sense? So I can definitely do that if you guys want to do that. But I figured that all of my other stuff would kind of go on my vlog channel, when I've got time to vlog over there. So definitely, I know I say this a lot, but I'm definitely going to start stepping up that game over there on the vlog channel. So if you're not subscribed over there, of course, that link is in the description box too. But I want to say thank you so much for all of your support and giving me your insight. I truly hope that I can start to make videos that you guys are going to enjoy much better. But, oh God, just to interject, look at that dust. That was on that little entry table. That's how long it's been since I've dusted in here. So, like I said, it definitely needed to be done.
A bottle of wine will get me every time. One phone call away, and you're ready to be mine. We twist the truth to justify, but baby, two wrongs doesn't make it right. I'll be yours till the morning light, right here in the moment we're breathing life. Both of us lost in this ugly life. Right here, all that matters is you and I. So hold on and let's save this night. Lovers to fight for the joy of making up. We both escape, trying to feel safe. Favorite mistake playing on repeat. Let's save this night.